Assalamu alaikum and a very good day to all my viewers. Hope you all are doing great. A very warm welcome to all my friends in this new, exciting and adventurous video. But why am I calling this an adventurous video? I'll answer that. You all must have guessed it by the title that today we are going for desert safari, which is a rough ride in the desert along with many amazing activities. Desert safari in Dubai is famous all over the world because of the vast land of sand and its own pristine, and has incomparable beauty that suits the soul. So, how can you book a tour for desert safari? Well, there are many tourism-based companies that offer packages for desert safari, such as Arabian Desert Adventures, Travel Triangle, Thrilophilia, and a lot more. You can easily search them on Google and contact them. Timings for desert safari in the morning are from 8 to 11 and in the evening from 4 to 9 p.m.
स्कार्फ वगैरह चाहिए कोई साथ में बांधने के लिए?
हाँ यार
किस तरह का?
30 का
ठीक है। कितने चाहिए बच्चों से पूछो।
बांधना है तुमने? आपने भी बांधना है? आ जाओ।
ये सब नहीं बांधना।
आपने नहीं बांधना? ठीक है। 30 dirham का है, ले लेते हैं फिर वहाँ पे बांध लेंगे इनको। राहे आपने नहीं बांधना?
पहनो जाके वो एरोबिक वो स्कार्फ पहन कर आओ।
नहीं आ रहे हैं?
आराम से
फुल वो बनेगा ना। First class.
So after getting the scarves tied, we all left for our first activity, that was dune bashing. But before dune bashing, we need to reduce the pressure of our car tires. When it comes to desert driving, the tire pressure is one of the first things you should take care of. Decreasing the pressure let the car float better and increases the size of the tire footprint. This improves the tire traction and reduces the amount of strain that is put on the car, softening out the effect of bumps on the trail. A good starting point is to lower it to 15 psi.
तो इसमें भर्ती कितनी है? अभी तो नॉर्मल जैसे गाड़ी में भरता है ना उसमें 35, उसके बाद अब टाइम उसमें जाने के लिए कम करते हैं। और यार
डिफरेंट है। अगर 2 पर्सन के लिए 250 लिखा हो ना, सिंगल और
अच्छा।
डबल।
हाँ।
ये डबल सिंगल 150 की है, डबल 250 की है।
ठीक है।
वो 4 सीटर है, वो गाइड के साथ आधा घंटा बाद आपको गाइड को फॉलो करना है।
अच्छा।
हाँ, वो 800 दिरहम लेते हैं और 4 सीटर का, 2 सीटर का भी।
ठीक है। तो यहाँ से अभी हमारा ड्यून बैशिंग स्टार्ट होगी।
हाँ, ये अगर आपने चलाना है तो आपकी मर्जी है, नहीं तो 5-10 मिनट बाद मैं टायर
नहीं, ये लाइन लगी हुई है।
या वो टिकट नहीं है ना, तो सिंगल।
So while going for dune bashing, we stopped for quad bike and buggy ride. मारी, तुम इस जगह के बारे में कुछ कहना चाहती हो?
बहुत अच्छी जगह है। मौसम हमें लगा था बहुत गर्म होगा, लेकिन शुक्र है नहीं है। अच्छा वेदर है, बहुत विंडी हुआ है और बड़ी मज़ेदार जगह है, ज़रूर विजिट करना चाहिए।
और यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा था?
यहाँ पे बगी राइड्स थी, सैंड ड्यून्स के ऊपर जा रहे थे। तो लग तो देखने में तो बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है, लेकिन क्योंकि मुझे पर्सनली डर लग रहा था तो मैं नहीं गई।
So here the golden rule is, when it comes to dune driving, it's important to remember to only go straight up and down the dunes. The unstable sand coupled with the top heavy nature of 4x4 will lead to turns on the dune that could end badly. If you want to keep your car in one piece, don't cross the side slope or turn when on a dune.
जो पीछे बैठते हैं उनको ज्यादा पता चलता है।
बच्चों की बनाओ पीछे। कैसा लग रहा है? मजा आ रहा है?
Kids were having a great fun time during their dune bashing on the sandy deserts of Sharjah. It's time for sandboarding now. Sandboarding is a sport and extreme sport similar to snowboarding that involves riding across or down a sand dune while standing on a board, either with both feet strapped in or while standing loose without bindings. Sandboarding can actually be quite extreme. The dunes can be incredibly steep and tall, reaching heights of up to 500 feet. The sand itself is often loose and powdery, making it challenging to keep your balance.
ऊपर आ रहे थे। टेढ़ा हो गया।
after getting this thrilling experience of dune bashing and sandboarding, our next stop was Labab camping, where several more activities exciting.
अच्छा, अब सब कुछ यहीं होगा।
मंगल है।
अब हम एंटर हो रहे हैं अब अपने कैंप के अंदर। यहाँ पे जो है बैले डांसिंग, साथ बारबेक्यू, डिनर वगैरह सारी चीज़ें इधर ही हैं। सो लेट्स सी व्हाट्स वेटिंग फॉर अस नेक्स्ट। ये आप देख सकते हैं कि कितना ज़बरदस्त इन्होंने यहाँ पे इंतज़ाम किया हुआ है। दे हैव अरेंज्ड इट, स्टेज बना हुआ है।
पर पर्सन एक दर्जन
कुछ कहना चाहेंगे आप? स्पीचलेस राइट नाउ।
Dubai is a country where henna is very well known. You can get your henna tattoo in the Desert Safari camp in UAE. Henna painter there can make tattoos on your hand or feet. It's a completely natural product, and the interesting thing is that it's included in your Desert Safari package. Henna has a natural cooling property, so most people who live in the desert area have been using henna to cool down their bodies for centuries. It is the tradition in most of the Islamic and Arab countries. People in these countries use henna paste as a replacement for tattoos because tattoos are prohibited by Islam in most of the Islamic countries. People use henna as a natural replacement as it doesn't negatively affect the skin and is totally removable. Tenora dance is a part of the Desert Safari package. Tenora means skirt in English, and Tenora dance is a kind of folk dance that is common in Islamic countries, especially Egypt and Turkey. It is usually performed by Sufi men for the Sufi music, who spin continuously. It is also one of an amazing highlight of Dubai Desert Safari trip. Desert Safari has a fire show, which is very unique, the only purpose of which is to get the crowd engaged, and reckless and skilled labor is required for its perfection. Desert Safari offers the best fire show in the world. It is arranged in the Bedouin Desert with eye-catching arrangements, and the Desert Safari show is a must-do when you visit Dubai. It is one of the camp activities while having meals. When the entertainers enter the stage, all the lights are turned off, and the fire show is held in a very dim or no light. There is a variety of fire show in the desert. The fire show is epic, as it has fire breathers that utter the fire out. Fire entertainers and artists that play with fire are specially trained. They toss hot red sparkles on the viewers and leave them in a state of shock. After having full-day fun activities at the Desert Safari, it was finally time to go back home. Tour to the Dubai desert was a perfect one. Our activities included dune bashing, sandboarding, camel ride, barbecue dinner, ballet dancing, tenora dancing, fireworks, and henna tattoo. It was our first experience and the most interesting and a memorable one. An experience that can never be forgotten. So friends, it's time to end the video now. If you all have enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and share. See you soon in the next video. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.